Hello, greetings from Colorado Springs. My name is Lance Kohler and I'm the broker-owner of the Cornerstone Real Estate Team. Today I'd like to talk to you about one of our owner frequently asked questions, and that is, do I have to accept pets in my rental property? So we often get that asked. We're onboarding an owner or discussing potentially taking over management of a rental property with a new owner. Do I have to accept pets? I don't want to accept pets, or I don't like cats, or I don't want any big dogs. All those are reasonable considerations. So in short, do you have to accept pets? No, you don't have to. So there's often a but or a caveat that goes with a statement like that. So we feel that in Colorado Springs, 70 to 80% of applicants for rentals in Colorado Springs have pets. 70 to 80% of rental applicants have pets. So if you are not accepting pets, you're discounting a large portion of the rental market here in Colorado Springs. The second thing to consider is that an emotional support animal and a service animal are not considered pets. So if someone presents themselves to apply for your property and they have a service animal, they might have a German Shepherd that performs some task for them. We cannot prevent them from renting your property by law. They're allowed to rent it. So even if your policy is no pets in the property, you still may end up with an animal, an emotional support animal or service animal in the property, regardless of your restriction. And with that respect, so with regards to emotional support animals and service animals, we use a third party to verify that. That takes some of the legalities off of our personnel, our property managers. We send it to a third party, and essentially someone who is an emotional support animal or a service animal has to fill out an application, or will fill out an application for that animal through the third party, very similar to what they are doing with us as they apply for your property. So another consideration, retention. Tenants with pets typically stay longer. Not always, but that's generally the rule. They're going to stay in a property longer. And when I started in property management, my mentor always said that people take care of their pets like they take care of their credit score. So we're already screening the tenants for their FICO score, for their credit score, before we allow them to rent your property. And so we keep that in mind. Someone with a high credit score most likely is taking good care of their animal. And by taking good care of their animal, they're going to take good care of your property and not let their animal destroy your property. So we would offer, I mean, you're the owner, you're the property owner, and we're going to abide by your wishes. We do have a few properties in our portfolio that we manage that do not accept pets. But we always recommend to owners that they accept pets in their property and just consider it a cost of doing business. As I mentioned before, we have a screening process. I used it in relation to emotional support animals and service animals, but that screening process applies to anybody with a pet. So anyone with a pet or a service animal, emotional support animal, fills out a profile, essentially an application for that animal, which we keep on file and we use to approve the animal and the applicant. And because of that, that's done through Pet Screening, which is a company, the third-party service that I mentioned earlier, and we do offer a pet guarantee. So the pet guarantee is really to remove the risk to you, the owner, and we will take some of that on ourselves. Cornerstone will pay up to $2,000 towards damages caused by a pet that we approved. So that's an additional benefit to you. Contact us if you'd like to get your property enrolled. It's a new program. We've been rolling it out for new clients as we're bringing them on, but we're reaching out also to our current clients, our current owners. If they're interested, we'd like to get you enrolled in the program again as well. And I did a short video just on the pet guarantee, so if you check back through our video blogs on our website, you'll be able to see that and get some more details. Hope this was of value to you. I appreciate you watching. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.